Are you looking for disruptive and colorful posters to promote your music festival? Or minimal, funny, and vintage designs to whet the appetite of your audience? In this video, we'll show you a list of our 10 best poster design templates for Photoshop. So stick around until the very end to find the perfect template for your project. Number 10. Poster by Simple Studios. Simple Studios gives us an impressive poster design created in Photoshop, featuring a modern and futuristic layout and bright and shining neon colors. It's perfect for promoting a music festival or technology exhibition. Number 9. Another dance flyer poster by Retrobox. This Photoshop poster design is a flexible tool that you can use for many different situations, like music festivals and movie posters. You can even change the template's dimensions to transform it into a beautiful book cover. It's designed to look like torn paper, and the contrast between the white, black, and red colors ensures it stands out. Number 8. Sing Flyer Poster by Retrobox. With a beautiful duotone color scheme and big, bold text, this poster design template from Retrobox is perfect for capturing your audience's attention at first glance. It has a clean, minimalist format, so you can present all your information clearly. Number 7. Food Truck Festival Poster by Veneta. Veneta created this poster design in Photoshop that will make mouths water on the food festival circuit. It features illustrated backgrounds, comic-style typography, and placeholders to show off your best dishes. Number 6. Multi-Purpose A3 Poster Series by Digital Infusion. Digital Infusion's poster design can be used for a wide range of projects. This Photoshop poster template would work for fashion, concerts, sports events, or movie promotions. It has rough placeholders, dusty textures, and a black background. There are also blank spaces where you can add your information. All the templates we've seen so far are available from Envato Elements, a subscription-based library that gives you access to millions of assets like Photoshop brushes, seamless patterns, fonts, and everything in between to level up your designs. Find the link in the description below. Number 5. Moonish Poster by Dusk Design. This beautiful Photoshop poster template, courtesy of Dusk Design, is perfect for any project that needs a touch of elegance and sophistication. Its mysterious and beautiful double exposure effect is ideal for video dances, plays, ballet performances, or fashion shows. Number 4. Poster by Space Studios. Space Studios gives us a design that looks like it came from the 1980s, with bright neon colors and double lighting effects. This poster is great for fashion, gaming, or technology shows because of the retro futuristic vibes it gives off. Number 3. Sale Poster by UI Creative Net. Let's ignore the photos because the text-focused design of this template hits hard. Fonts and colors are completely customizable, and colorfully illustrated elements and floating particles will complement your message perfectly. It's the best option on the list for getting right to the point. Number 2. Music Poster by UI Creative Net. As the name suggests, this Photoshop poster design is intended for a music event. However, it can be adapted to suit various applications. All the elements included are highly customizable, and it has a print-ready 300 dpi resolution. Number 1. Burger Poster by Dusk Design. Share your star dish using this poster template. It has a clean design that makes the food stand out, and text with different textures adds more energy and variety to the final product. Download this pack, place your photo, and your poster is ready to go. So that's a wrap. Let us know in the comments section below which one of these templates is the one you'll be using next. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Want more content from Envato? Take a look at the video thumbnail shown on your screen. You'll like it. It's been selected just for you.